know it's just about stuff and more stuff and that stuff and this stuff and stuff. So we'll get on with it in a second. We'll get ready for like just a second. Okay. Oh no! Okay, so this is just something random. So Matt, alright, okay. Come in, something. Okay. Okay. Get down on your knees. Who's gonna marry me? Let's do that. And then high. Wait, bring it down a bit more. From the top of the dog. Okay. No, we don't need to see the dog. Look at the camera. Look at me and get this picture. I love this sexy dog. Come on, puppy. Let's go to my bedroom and let's just go. I'll bring it up. We did it. Look after your new baby puppy, daddy puppy. And that is the end. This is Truth Dare. So we can put the plus in our name thing. So this is Truth plus Dare. My difference. Epic Horse. Okay, Epic Horse Rider. And this is the new story called Epic Horse Rider. No, I don't know. Okay.